What is a function? A function consists of a set of inputs, over which we apply a rule to obtain a set of outputs, on a condition that the rule yields exactly one output for each input. For example, considering these numbers for the sets of inputs and outputs, and the rule where we multiply the inputs by 2, then 1 would be associated with 2, 2 with 4, and 3 with 6. Every input had exactly one output by this rule. Then it is a function. And the function would be represented by the set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 6, where 1, 2 and 3 would represent the domain of the function, and 2, 4 and 6 would represent the range of the function. And graphically, each ordered pair is represented by its corresponding point, leading to this graphical representation of this function. Then, a relation defined between a set of inputs and a set of outputs could be a function or not a function. In this example, 1 has 2 outputs. Then this relation doesn't represent a function. However, if 1 had exactly one output, similarly to 2 and 3, then the relation would then represent a function. Graphically, the horizontal axis is the axis of inputs, referred to as the abscissas, and the vertical axis is the set of outputs, referred to as the ordinates. Given a curve, now for this value of x corresponds to exactly one value of y, thus one output. And across the x-axis, we notice that every value of x has exactly one value of y. Then this curve represents a function. However, for this curve, for example, this value of x has 3 values of y, thus 3 outputs. Then this curve doesn't represent a function. So testing for functions consists of considering vertical lines across the curve. That is the vertical line test for functions. The first one passes the vertical line test, as every input has exactly one output by this curve, consequently it is a function. However, this other curve doesn't pass the vertical line test, as there exist vertical lines that cross the curve at more than one point, leading to having more than one output for each input. So this curve does not represent a function.